Okay, this is your math assignment number 2, and there's kind of 3 sections to this math assignment, so I'm going to go over each one. The first one says, how many? It says it's fun to count. How many people live in your house? How many toes are on each person? How many toes are in your house? How do you know? If you think about how many, you could do that for a lot of things. You could do how many legs of pets do you have altogether? You could do chairs around the legs on the chairs around the table. You could do all kinds of different how many's around your house. So see if you can figure out as many as you possibly can, because that'll be fun. And then share them with me if you want to. This one says application. Play Tic Tac Toe multiplication. Materials: scratch paper, pencil, or pen. Directions: you need one partner. Draw one tic-tac-toe board. Decide who will be X and who will be 0. Or O, I'm sorry. With your partner, choose 9 multiplication facts to work on. Write 1 multiplication fact in each box. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to skip over all of this. I'm going to show you the example in just a second. It says, so you're going to take turns. Choose your square and then solve your square. So if you get the answer correct, you get to place your X or your O in the box. And then if you're not correct, you have to skip your turn. The first person to get 3 in a row wins. It says if you do not have a partner, you can play both the X and the O. Okay, so let me show you. So I made this tic-tac-toe board just to show you. So obviously, if you were really doing this tic-tac-toe at home, you would do a tic-tac-toe board, and then you would fill in all these different, the 9 slots of the multiplication equation. So I just did some examples. 9 times 5 equals, 6 times 8 equals, 9 times 9 equals. But you could fill in whatever multiplication facts that you know that you might struggle with, so that you can practice them a little bit more. So that's the tic-tac-toe. Fact fluency, it says choose 3 facts from the tic-tac-toe game board. Write them down, writing the equation for each one on paper. And then it says check with a calculator. I wouldn't check with a calculator because you don't typically use a calculator in 3rd grade. But if you really have to because you're by yourself, absolutely do that. But remember, with multiplication, you can solve with repeated addition. You can do arrays. You can do an area model. You have lots of different options to do instead of using a calculator. So if you need help, give me a call or message me on Schoology. All right. See you then, or see you later. Okay, bye.